Hello guys, this section is going to deal about how to enter a text. There are two ways to enter the text. So we can drag it and enter the text. Now, for example, let's say I am Shakti, or just click and type. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Come to my channel. These are the various forms available in the Figma. These are the various style options. We can bold our letters or light the letters or italic or bold italic or black italic. Just try bold shows bold in my letters. So this is about then this option is letter spacing. This set 50%. See, each letter has 50% of letter spacing. So then this option with this option will automatically adjust the content inside the frame. Just type Dinesh. See, the frame is automatically adjusted to the contents inside the frame. So it involves it automatically adjusts the content vertically. See, click here. Welcome to my course. See, content are aligned vertically. So this all do about auto height. Then we see alignment left, alignment center, and alignment right.